Yes. Good morning, guys. Today in Angular 18, first basic, how we need to create a basic project or how we need to set up a basic project in Angular. So first video it is in this tutorial list. So that we need to see right now. So I need to create a basic project and so how it is and which commands are useful for this. So that we need to see. First, where we need to create a basic project that we need to select or that we need to choose the folder, and in that folder, so we need to open command prompt. In this URL, we need to type you can type CMD means command prompt it is. So press enter, it will open the command prompt and we are in E drive and ng18 folder, Angular18 folder have taken, and in that we need to create a project. So for the Angular project creation, first we need to install Angular and first we need to install Node.js. After that, based on npm package, we need to install Angular. So that we have done before. Right now, I'm going to create a project right now in an Angular application. For that, we have a command like ng Angular command. It is for creating a new project, ng new some application name. What is that? Angular 18 basic project or Angular 18 project, just Angular 18. This is the command ng new. New is a keyword. With that, we need to create a new application and application name it is. Whatever it is that you can take your wish. I have taken Angular 18 project. Angular 18 hyphen project. Without any gap, we can give the project name. So just press enter. That will going to create a project in the ng18 folder. It will take some time. So I'm not hiding any time like so it is only a creation of project too. So that I'm not skip anything in this. After entering that, it will ask what kind of CSS styles you need to select that. So CSS is the cascading style sheet. It is a standard version, previous version. And after that, SCSS and SCSS is the latest versions in the market. So difference is actually CSS is the plain or vanilla style sheets are there. So after that, SCSS or SCSS are the advanced concepts compared to the CSS. And SCSS also supported CSS properties, and extra is here we have we need to create variables or functions or different kind of methods and mixins and all. It will going to support SCSS and SCSS or support for the our application. So with this, we need to whatever it is, you can select SCSS or SCSS, whatever it is. I'm going to select SCSS and press enter. And server side rendering, here we need to enable or not. So now it is a basic project. It is not going to, I'm not going to give this enabling. Just N I'm pressing and just enter. It is going to create a complete application. It will take few seconds, not more than that. So we will wait for that. It's going to create an application. Yes, project created. So this project is there in Angular 18 folder. So I need to change that into that folder like Angular 18 project. If project not it is only a project. Angular 18 hyphen project. This is our newly created project. Press enter. So we are in that folder. So this project we need to open with the VS Code. That is already I have installed VS Code in my machine or a system. So how we need to open that means code code space dot press enter. It is open. That project will open on the VS Code. Yes, I am opening the project in SRC. This is the project structure, basic project structure. And we don't, right now, we don't have the terminal here. Control Shift till tab. It is above on the tab button. So Control Shift tilde tab, we press, we will get the terminal here. Now I am opening the source SRC source code of the project, and in that app folder is there. In that we have a app component. Our project will create the basic one master component or basic component, that is app component. And before 18 we have like uh, config file app.module.ts is there, but that is now every component is the standalone component. So it is a standalone component, so we don't need to declare in the app component, or it is not depending on the app config module. So that is not there. App module is not there right now. So app config is there. So this is the root configuration file or app configuration file. Only configuration is there. So that we will see then the next classes. But we have created a basic project. And if we need to run this project means ng serve. If you want to open the browser means -o or serve, or we can give shortcut also ngs. Also fine, ngs -o, that is going to render. Yes. So it is rendering now. It is going to open our project. Yes. This is our project, and this is the basic page for our application. So that we need to remove and we need to give whatever we want. So this is the HTML file we are seeing in the application. So Control A, I have selected everything and deleted, and just I am giving this in the H1. So I'm giving the simple text, that is Angular 18 tutorial, first Angular 18 tutorial for project creation or Angular 18 project setup. That only I'm giving here. Save. That we need to see in the browser. This is executing perfectly. Like in the port number is localhost 4200. In the port number, this is the default port number for Angular. Localhost 4200. In that port, we are executing the project and we are displaying some content on that. This is the basic project we created, and we are running that project perfectly. Right. Thanks for watching this video. Please share and subscribe.